is you got to go back to your business. You got to start thinking about who are you? What do you do really well? And how is that going to extrapolate into tomorrow? Is your partner base right? Is the way that you're working your business right now going to really be sustainable in 5 years? When everything is pushed to the cloud, we have this new accelerated issue right now, right? We super accelerated, pushed to the cloud, pandemic, boom, everyone has to get there. Are you set up for that? Are you going to be in a legacy situation where nobody's going back to these big corporate offices, these big networks that you've been managing, right? Think about it, right? Are you set up for tomorrow? So just to recap, know who you are, okay? Set it, and then execute and go over and over again. And then what you do is you tweak. And all of the things that we do here, okay, for our partner base is it's all systematic. It's all process. It's 8 weeks, certain steps, right? Which you should be able to do because you know what that does? That allows you to actually measure your impact, but also your business risk and your gross revenue, which ultimately ends up to your net revenue, right? It's predictable. You know what it is.